Every action and emotion begins with a thought. Your mind is the birthplace of motivation, excitement, and even stress. The power to choose which thoughts dominate your mental space lies within you. External factors like wealth and status are secondary to the power of your mind. True success stems from your thoughts, not material possessions. Why do some wealthy people still feel unfulfilled? The answer lies in their mindset. Reflect on your daily thoughts and their impact on your life. Ask yourself, what's running through my mind daily? How much of it actually benefits me? Your thoughts determine your achievements. Identify negative patterns and replace them with empowering beliefs. Successful people think differently, and that's why their results differ. Embrace the mindset of successful individuals who think positively and persistently. Challenge your beliefs by reading diverse books and exploring new ideas. Travel and learn to break mental barriers and expand your awareness. Understand that a closed mind limits your potential. Books are the soul's food. Never stop reading. In a year, you'll grow by centuries. Embrace new experiences and perspectives to broaden your mental horizons. Cultivate positive thoughts like nurturing a plant, uproot negativity. Feed your mind with empowering beliefs and affirmations. Practice daily exercises to reinforce positive thinking and shape your reality. By nurturing positive thoughts, you'll transform your life. Set aside time each day to reflect and empower your mind. Together, let's create a future filled with success and fulfillment.